Okay dudes, before cutting this section, make sure you take out this wiper motor. This is valuable stuff, but the problem we have, and it's a common problem, it's fucking proper jammed. Oh yes, finally. See, WD-40 does wonders. Don't forget to spray some WD-40. That's it. Bang bang and it's out. Oh man, this cunt is annoying. Right, it's 10. You're gonna need. Can't remember. Oh no, another 10 yet. Oh shit. This bracket prevents you from taking it out, so pull it up with the bracket and then put the bracket back on, because you know you're not gonna need it, and they'll say, ooh, it comes with a bracket, I'll buy this one instead. You know what I mean? So you need to always think like that, maximize value a bit. Ooh, the bracket comes with it, but okay, just put it on for here for now, and then this and this goes on here, and that's another 30-40 quid, you know. So don't forget to take all this shit off, guys, before cutting up your car, because we've nearly cut into this just now. It's a decent catch today.